Get a bite. Did you get some? You didn't? You got a little bit. Good job. Good job. Hi, Bryce. Where's sister? Where is sister? Did she go to school?
Papa.
School.
Papa.
Can you say school?
Bye.
School.
Bye. Bye.
Where's Mama? Work.
Mama.
Where's Mama?
And there you go.
Where'd Daddy go? Daddy working on the tractor? Is he on the big truck? Where is Daddy?
Nay! Papa!
A puppy on the TV?
Mama!
Okay. Bryson, where's sister? Where's your sister? She go to school? Yeah? Say school. Say sister. Sister went to school with Mama. What? Who am I? Nana. That's right.
Daddy.
Where's Daddy? Working? Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Bryce, can you sing today?
Daddy.
Happy birthday to Daddy.
Daddy.
Good job.
Daddy.
Yay. Can you sing about Twinkle? Twinkle little star,
Daddy.
how I wonder what you are. Good job. Yay. Very proud of you. Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh.
What's sister's name?
Teacher.
Is it Kadri?
Daddy.
Right, Kadri.
Daddy.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
And the disco.
Okay. Okay. Where'd it go? Did you eat it? Oh, that's Dora. Yeah. Dora on that cup? Are you all finished eating? Another one? Yes, there is. There's 2 Doras. Another one. Uh-oh. What happened? What happened? What happened, buddy? Uh-oh. Did you finish all your yogurt? You didn't. You still got fruit left. You want your fruit? Eat it. There's some cheese in there too. And some broccoli. Listen, can you say bye-bye to the camera? Right here. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, camera. Yeah, that's Nana. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, camera. Can you wave? Good job. Good job.